Welcome to Wuhan Haier Gas Boiler Production and Manufacturing Factory. Wuhan Haier Water Heater and Heating Furnace Production and Manufacturing Base is a lighthouse factory with an automation rate of 80%, 100% automation of metal sheet stamping, copper pipe forming, and other processes. The process realizes seamless connection, and the dimensional accuracy can be controlled within 0.2 millimeters. The production of Haier gas boiler is in the leading position, adopting fully automatic copper pipe bending, flared fitting, welding, precision control of bending and size, reducing the labor intensity of employees, and providing users with safe and comfortable hot water. The heat exchanger is completely self-manufactured and adopts oxygen-free heat exchanger, which is energy efficient and realizes green and environmental protection. All boilers are thoroughly tested for overall performance, airtightness, electrical performance, and appearance. Through the simulation of the water and electrical settings of the user, the automatic test was conducted on 107 parameters to ensure the performance of the water circuit, gas circuit, and electronic control, and ultimately to ensure the gas safety of the product through the open flame test. The EPA area strictly monitors static electricity, and the automatic electrical performance test precisely detects insulation, voltage withstanding, grounding, leakage, and other electrical properties to ensure electrical safety. The complete automation and informatization of delivery ensures accurate and consistent production of products. With the intelligent logistics, from sealing, packing to loading, it could be delivered to tens of thousands of homes, realizing the traceability of each product and guaranteeing the comfort and reassurance of customers.